Hello everyone, welcome back. This video I'm going to talk to you about how even when we get somebody out of a Baker Act facility, the government can still come back and start investigating you. So let me give you the scenario. We've had a couple of cases, or actually we've had a number of cases where we have represented children, 12, 14 years of age, sometimes even younger. And in one particular case, the child was a little bit frustrated and upset that she had been Baker Acted after her parents disciplined her. And the child started making allegations. Oh, my parents abused me. My parents abused me. And it wasn't an allegation of, physical abuse. It was just that she was upset that her parents had basically grounded her for inappropriate behavior. And I'll leave it at that. And so once the child made an allegation that there had been an abuse, the facility that was still holding her at the time called DCF, the Department of Children and Family Services, and now they're launching an investigation into the parents' behavior, and they're launching an investigation to see if the child was actually abused, whatever the word abuse means. I mean, there's no allegation of physical abuse, sexual abuse, but the child, yelled wolf, and now they're going to do an investigation. So after we did a great job getting the child out, I think within 24 hours of this facility, that by the way was illegally detaining the child because there was no grounds for her to be Baker Acted. Now you've got the Department of Children and Family Services, which by the way is another agent of the state of Florida. And now they're investigating the parents for abuse. So now the family has to go and hire another lawyer who specializes in handling these kinds of cases. And it's just nothing but stress and aggravation. And so sometimes when the government gets their hooks into you, they don't want to let go. They simply don't. And it's just really, it's frustrating for the parents. They cannot believe what they're seeing. They went through hell to get their child out of the Baker facility. And now the government is putting them through hell again, perhaps even worse, because now they're investigating the parents for potential abuse. So this is crazy stuff. And this is why I tell families, in addition to the fact that you got to fight the Baker Act as quickly as you can, you got to hire a specialist, okay? And I'm not trying to toot my horn here, but this is what we do, okay? We only handle behavioral health cases. The criminal stuff, this is actually going to be potentially criminal, but also could be, a DCF investigation. I'm going to refer to another lawyer. It's not what we do, so I'm not taking the case. But listen, when you are dealing with the government, you got to know what you're dealing here. And I'm telling you, this is crazy stuff, what's going on here in Florida. But I wanted to share that with you. DCF can come and investigate you. As I said before in other videos, right? In order to get Baker Acted, only takes a finger and someone to point it. Well, in order to get investigated by, DCF, it also only takes a finger and someone to point it. And unfortunately, it's the child who's pointed the finger, not realizing what's just been unleashed. And it's not the child's fault. But I'm just sharing this with you. I thought, just another twist on the crazy world of the Baker Act. With that said, I appreciate you tuning in. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.